Happy Thursday, everyone. I wanted to start by showing you where the study guide is. I just want to clarify one last time before the summative assessment tomorrow, before the test tomorrow, because there have been a couple different versions of the study guide, and I just want to make sure that everybody's clear about the latest and greatest study guide that I put out there about 2 weeks ago. So if you go to, iHeart Civics and click on the iMarvel Foundations of Government, I put the study guide under the final evidence for Power Standard 2 and Power Standard 3 under the Here's the Proof icon, since it's the tool that's really going to help you on the test. And so when you click on that and open it up, you'll know it's the right study guide if the questions on the top under Foundations of Government and the questions at the bottom under the Constitution are all colorful. Some of the first study guides that I put out there had the questions written in black font, but now it's been updated, like I said, about 2 weeks ago to all these colorful questions. With my study guides and tests, there's always 100% alignment. And what I mean by that is these 6 questions are the exact 6 questions on the test. So there's complete transparency there. It should be completely clear that these questions are the ones that you will be able to answer tomorrow. Everyone will take the assessment tomorrow. It'll all be about getting you on the scoreboard, seeing where you are on the continuum, and then we can look at next week if there's any coaching workshops, any reteaching, relearning that needs to happen. We can do those. I can give you those supports, and then we can move forward from there and see if there's parts that you need to redo or retake, and see if we can grow in any of those areas. So tomorrow's all about just getting you on the scoreboard, and then we'll make a plan for next week to keep moving people forward. I think you're going to be really happy that you chose this session. It got great feedback yesterday from students who really wanted to study, who really wanted to practice for the test. And so I think this activity is going to be great. What you're going to do is get yourselves into groups of 3 or 4, no bigger or no smaller than that. I think 3 or 4 is the best for this and to have really good conversations. And what you and your group are going to do is talk about each of the questions. Again, there are 6 altogether. You'll talk about the questions, and each person you can see will get a sticky note for the question, and they'll write down their responses. You'll attach them to the computer sheet just to kind of have an organizational way to keep track of everything. And then in the middle, you're going to create your best answer. You're going to blend everybody's responses together. You're going to listen to everyone, and you're going to kind of come up with this best, supreme, wonderful, amazing answer, which then you could either type onto your study guide, or if you want to take a picture of it with your phone, then you would have this amazing answer. And I think just the level of conversations that people were having and the way people were able to help one another with the study guide was really, really cool. So I think that's going to be a helpful resource for you today. So best of luck preparing for the assessment tomorrow.